Good day, sir and madam. My name is Charlene Andan Bernape. I am 41 years old. I was born on September 12, 1983. I am from Philippines. I am single parent blessed with one daughter, 3 years old. My highest educational attainment is high school graduate, year 1996 to 2000. My hobbies are watching TV, listening music, and cleaning. I worked as domestic helper in Hong Kong for 2 years. I served 2 couple and 2 children, 8-year-old boy and 2-year-old girl. My duties are cleaning, washing dishes, washing clothes, ironing, marketing, sending and picking the child from the school. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to help my family for everything what they need. I can take good girl the newborn baby. Sir, ma'am, please choose me as your household helper and I can do everything to make you happy and I will treat you as my own family. I am hardworking, loyal, humble, and industrious. Thank you.